Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to effectively use UPBASE for academic research projects. First things first, you'll want to create an account on UPBASE. It's a quick and easy process, just follow the on-screen instructions. The reason we do this is to gain access to all of UPBASE's tools and resources tailored specifically for academic research. Now that you're all signed up, let's get started with our first major step, setting up your research project. UPBASE has a feature called Projects. Find it and click on Create New Project. Fill in the required details about your project. This helps us because it allows UPBASE to recommend the most relevant resources and tools for your specific project. Next up, it's time to gather your resources. UPBASE has a vast library of academic resources. Use the search bar and filters to find resources related to your project. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE scans through thousands of resources and gives you the most relevant results. Isn't that handy? Once you've gathered your resources, it's time to organize them. UPBASE has a Resources tab within your project where you can store and categorize your resources. Drag and drop your resources into relevant categories. This step is crucial. It keeps your project streamlined and easily accessible. Now, let me explain why this matters. UPBASE allows for real-time collaboration. Invite your team members to join your project. You can all work together, share insights, and make real-time edits. The collaboration feature is a lifesaver for group research projects. Finally, use UPBASE's inbuilt citation tool. This tool generates citations for your resources in multiple formats. The citation tool saves you from the tedious task of manually creating citations and ensures they're accurate. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to use UPBASE for academic research projects. Remember, UPBASE is a powerful tool that can streamline your research process, organize your resources, and foster collaboration among your team. Thanks for tuning in.